I'm definitely into the antique look, but I also really love a modern flair. So I think I found the best nightstand for that. At first glance, this looks like a really beautiful antique piece. Definitely looks like something that, you know, like my grandma or my mom had, which is definitely the vibe I'm loving. But we get that little modern action because check this out. At the back, you actually comes with the plug and then you have your ports. So you have your two plugs right here. You have your USB-A and your USB-C. I love that it's at the back here because most of the time on these nightstands, you find them on the top, but now that's not going to be taking up any of the space up here, which is fantastic. So this was sent for my review and I am a huge fan. This is 23.6 inches high. It is 22 inches long and it is 13 inches deep. And then you've got these two, like, well, actually we've got three. So you've got your little drawer up here at the top. This is definitely where, you know, I'd be keeping my lip gloss, my little bits and pieces here. Or if you have this in the living room, great spot to keep like remotes and stuff like that. And then you have your bigger, I love this. Look at the hardware on here. Like this is just giving all those really awesome antique-y vibes that I love. So you've got this one here. And you've got this one here. The other thing we absolutely love about this, my husband has put together so much furniture. This already came pre-assembled. All he had to do was put on the feet. He was so excited when he saw that because normally something like this, you'd have to put like every little piece together. So when something is pre-assembled, very rare and very fantastic. So if you are anything like me and loving the antique but modern because of those plugs, highly recommend.